Hi guys, welcome to Light Camera and Chicks. Today I'm doing another beauty video and it's a get ready with me video using products from House of Tara. So I got this goodie bag and my favorite thing inside is this Queen Nana 2 eyeshadow palette, and that's what I use for this entire look. So if you want to know how I achieved the look, please stay tuned. I also have other goodies in the box like lipstick, corrector, so many other things. Thank you, Abby K. I really love my goodie box. And so guys, just get ready with me before I go out. Stay tuned. So I'm going to be using the Zaron primer all over my face. This is the base for the makeup that I'm about to put on. Next, I'll be using the Zaron Healthy Glow foundation, and I think this is FZ25. That's what I'm going to be using all over my face. It's my first time trying out the Healthy Glow foundation. I actually think I'm a shade darker, but let's see how this does.
You come my house, yeah. Me, I come your house, oh. Our love come, they grow. We begin the row.
So guys, what do you think? Here's what it looks like. This is no powder, just the foundation. I think that the coverage is pretty decent. What do you think? I wanted to try the shade up, like the 30, but it didn't have it, so I thought to try 25. I think the difference is not so much, but I'll still like to try 30 when they have it. So here's what it looks like. Just foundation, no powder. So far so good. Let's proceed to the next step. For my brows, I'm going to be using my Glam Girls Cosmetics brow gel. So I'm using the color EK1, and that's what I'm going to be using to shape my brows today. What's that?
As far as I'm concerned, now love is to stay. Nothing will separate us. Even in the same, maybe this is our chance. Let's make use of it. No fooling around. Let's get it over with. Now you, I leave you,
So guys, I'm done with my brows using my Glam Girls Cosmetics brow kit. How do you guys like it? It's a bit chunky today. That noise won't let me be great. So guys, don't you just like a palette that can stand on its own? Like all the colors I've used are just from the Queen Nana 2 palette. Isn't that awesome? The only thing I don't like about the palette is that it doesn't have a mirror, so I can't hold this while I'm doing my makeup. But apart from that, it's awesome. It's very pigmented and I love it. I love that I can do all my looks from just one palette. So if I'm traveling or I need to do a quick look, or I have a client and I don't want to take too many colors, I can work with just that one palette. It has such a diverse range of colors and it's absolutely stunning. As you can see, I really love all the color combinations. I was trying my best not to use all the colors in the palette so I don't look like a drama queen or a drag queen, but hey, I think it works pretty much. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Zaron gel liner in Jazz to line my eyes before I'll go ahead and fix my lashes. I'm going to fix my lashes off camera and I will be right back once I'm done with my gel liner. Don't you just love new gel liners? When it's new, when it's getting old, it starts going funny.
This one girl, two glasses, not a table for two. What would you do? I was sitting in the corner, babe. You were sitting in another corner, sitting on a table for two. Ooh, yeah, babe.
So I put in my lashes, guys, and yeah, I'm just going to finish up my look real quick. I popped in my lashes and then I put smudger in my waterline. That's the dark eyeliner. I used the one called Gush that I got from Boots, and that's pretty much it. And let's wrap it up. So I'm going to highlight and contour with my Fenty Beauty Trio. I'm going to be using Espresso to contour, Cinnamon to highlight, and Suede for my under eyes. So I'm using the 3 bad guys. Let's go.
Babe, I'm beginning to imagine the reason you haven't yet moved. Ooh yeah, babe. Ooh yeah, babe. The way that hasn't called me, babe. Maybe he's forgotten. Maybe you want me to make the first move. Ooh yeah, babe. Ooh yeah, babe. So I approach you.
So I'm just going to use my benign powder now to set my eyeline, and it's almost a wrap. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder now and we're almost done. So what do you guys think overall? I think from my powder up till now I've liked every single bit of the process, especially the eyeshadow. I really love the eyeshadow. It's definitely a palette that I'm going to keep.
I can catch the stimulating fragrance out of your hair. My feelings tell me it's so good to take my place in front of you, yeah, babe. I say to myself, I knew right from the start, right tender, until suddenly I hear a deep voice from behind. Baby, I'm sorry that I took so long. It is funny how time flies when you're waiting for the mega fly girlfriend's guy to walk by. Champagne, that was never my game. Was only gonna get down cause she called my name, of which I never act so damn lame and ditch my twin homeboys for a dame and rich. Glass of a girl, champagne and switch tables. Feel astounding, Irish cream and tequilas. Me and my homeboys say what the deal is. It's only just a honey, maybe looking for the money for this tall glass of champagne. And so the deal is, you gotta go and bail her out before she gets treated like an area tout. You also gotta get a perfect line, yeah. Ask her if you can pour her wine. Come on.
So now I'm going to line my lips and I'll be using the Tara lipstick in Anja to wrap up the Tara eyeshadow look. I'm using some Zaron lip liner, I don't even know the name. This Anja is pretty cool. I love the new shade. It dries really matte and I really like it. I need to and tell you guys the lip liner, the Zara lip liner that I used. I'll put it in the description somewhere because it's pretty cool, and I think they're a match made in heaven. They go together. So I like the nudish thing going on. This might glow is quite much, but hey, it's a lot. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope to bring you more videos like this. If you haven't subscribed, now is a good time to subscribe. I have a lot of exciting things on my channel, like travel videos and chicks and jam jam. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.